it's fun with you guys. All right, this hat is pretty cool. I'll tell you what. Okay, so these little fans here are they work really, really good. Okay, you've got a chin strap right here, and that just keeps it on and snug. Um, let's take it off. Now back here, you've got a pull strap where you can make it tighter on your head. Um, I don't know if this is one size fits all, but I'm going to do some measurements and we're going to go from there. Now, across this way, okay, let's measure that at flat out is almost 16 inches. And going the other way, so the long way, we got 18 inches, okay? So it's a pretty big hat, but it's fairly light, okay? Now the head, wide, if you were to put it on and not snug it up, let's unsnug it. Okay, you want to stretch it out. Okay, that's roughly 7 inches there, wide, and 8.5 to 9 inches long, okay? So you've got a lot of room in here, and it will expand wider, but not really that much, okay? Now, these fans, they come in a box like this. They come with their own 20-inch charger, and it's got instructions in the box too. Okay, that tells you how they work and so on and so forth, how to put them in. Now, what they do is they just snap right in here, and you can see that right there. Now, you can see that they're running, okay? Now, I've got this on solar power. So, and I do all kinds of stuff with it. I mow grass with it. I mow some more grass with it. I whippersnip with it on. You can prune with it. And you can walk the dogs with them. Now, if the sun is in your back and you're facing the shade, you can turn your hat around and you'll get some air on the back of your neck. It's awesome, man. I'll tell you what. Either way, you're nice, cool air, okay? Okay, so now how this works is if they're in the sun on solar power only, they will run when they're in the sun. So now you take that out of the sun and you can see it. It stops. Starts. Stops. That's pretty cool. Or you can have, I fully charge them, so you can have it on full power all the time. And there's 3 settings, off, 1, and 2. And you can go low or medium, whichever. And I'll tell you what, they're pretty cool. I'll tell you what, I don't know what to say about that. But yeah, they're right here. You, in the back, you plug them in right there, okay? And then your notches are right here for your switch is right there. And then you've got an on-off switch right inside there. It's pretty small to see, but if you turn this off, it will run on solar power only, okay? The one thing you really have to watch is these low-lying branches, right? They get caught up in your fans, and they do move a little, where they will take a little punishment, but all in all, they'll get ripped off if you snag a branch or something like this. If you're mowing or whatever you're doing, just be careful. When it gets really hot, throw it on. And they're running right now because the sun is hitting this side, but not this side. So you can tilt these things like this, all right? You can tilt it that way or you can tilt it back, okay? So you can see that like that. Now they're both running. Now they're not. I love it. That's my review. Thanks for coming.